Hello, everyone. My name is Changsoo. I've been working for Ring like a little over 5 years. I am in charge of developing the algorithm on Ring security camera. Ilya and I will present some of design aspects, some challenges, objective of security camera. Okay, before I start, how many of you ever heard about Ring before? Oh, quite a lot, yeah. How many of you are actually using the Ring products? Oh, okay. I do see some of a business opportunity for people. Okay, let's start with the Ring introduction video so you can see what the Ring is doing it right now.
At Ring, we have over 1 million happy customers. And today I brought one to help me install some more.
Let's get to work, Jamie.
Let's do this.
Let's make these neighborhoods safe.
We proved at the LAPD that having 10% of the homes with Rings, we're able to reduce crime by 50% in a neighborhood.
Who is it?
It's Shaq and Jamie, ma'am.
I give hugs.
So Shaq and I just put this up for you. We got a new camera, floodlight, motion detection. Here's the view from it.
Great teamwork.
How you like the floodlight cameras?
I like them. I want to see the whole yard.
That's perfect. There we go.
Nice little speakers. What you got on there?
It's fantastic. The picture. I can see him. I can see everything that's going on. It's awesome. I can be anywhere and see who comes to my door.
Look at that, Shaq. The whole backyard. You can see
Look
that.
at that. That's nice.
Isn't that beautiful?
All right, Shaq, I see you and Jamie. Hold up.
You've been busted. It works. I love making neighborhoods safe. We're always home, baby.